Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the main character filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. Here, slide right until you see interactive. Go there. Okay, lots of filter are there. So check carefully. Just slide up. Okay, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this from this effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for man character. Okay, you will see this effect icon on the top row. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Tap there to use this effect. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You need to open it with TikTok. So in this page, tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen or tap on open app. Again, you will be directed to the effect screen. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this main character filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.